Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another tips from Tiffany. Wanted to talk to you today about those surveys. I know none of us really like doing surveys, but those surveys at the end of the cruise that they talk about during dinner and stuff, those are really important for the crew members. Those determine based on how you grade them in the survey, whether they get promotions. I've heard some say extra days off, just different perks of the job. One good way to remember names is take a picture with your crew member, take a picture of their name badge. I know a lot of the room stewards will leave a card in the room for you. I know your wait staff usually has a card there on the table with the maitre d', the head waiter, and so on and so forth. So I know we don't always like doing the surveys or remember to do the surveys. But it's just like they talk about when you're eating dinner and they're talking about the importance of the survey. This is how they get their promotions. So make sure that you are filling out those surveys. So there is a section in the survey where you can leave comments. If you had a great time, make sure to put that. What made it a great time? If you had a not so great time, maybe put some comments in to maybe help them improve the situation. Because if it affected you, it may have affected other cruisers as well. So just make sure that you put that in there so that they can fix that for the next time. Like I said, just a short, quick survey. Make sure you take those survey tips. We've always done the survey. We always make sure that we get the cards. We take pictures of their names. Anything you can do to help you remember their names, because when you call them out by name, it does affect them greatly in a good way. If it's a good review, if it's a bad review, well, then it's a bad review. So I hope this tip helps. And like I said, I know we don't like doing surveys, but go ahead and fill that survey out. And as always, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and we will see you out on the high seas.